Are you wondering what stage touch technology has reached now? Today, we're diving into the world of membrane switches and capacitive touch solutions where innovation meets quality. I would like to introduce Xufeng Electronic Technology, a company that has long been dedicated to solving all human touch switches. At our company, we pride ourselves on being a leading membrane switch supplier, dedicated to delivering only the highest quality touch switches. Our products are not just components, they are the heartbeat of countless industries. We specialize in providing innovative solutions for all your human touch switch needs. Whether you're designing a new gadget, upgrading an appliance, or creating a custom interface, we've got you covered. In the medical field, precision is paramount. Our membrane switches are designed to withstand the rigors of medical environments, ensuring that healthcare professionals can rely on them for critical applications. From industrial control to automation, our capacitive switches provide seamless interaction, enhancing efficiency and safety in every operation. In rail transportation, where safety and reliability are non-negotiable, our products are engineered to perform under pressure, ensuring smooth journeys for passengers and cargo alike. In aviation, our touch solutions are trusted by pilots and navigators, providing intuitive controls that enhance flight safety and operational efficiency. Whether it's in network communications or the latest consumer electronics, our membrane switches are at the forefront of technology, delivering user-friendly experiences that keep you connected. Durability is key. Our switches are built to withstand the test of time, ensuring reliability in every touch. With advanced materials and technology, we guarantee that your products will perform flawlessly. Even in the fields, our equipment withstands the elements, empowering farmers with reliable controls that drive productivity and innovation in agriculture. Our commitment to excellence spans across instrumentation, equipment manufacturing, and beyond. With a focus on durability and performance, we ensure that our touch solutions meet the highest standards. Ready to take your project to the next level? Contact us today to discover how we can provide the perfect touch solutions for you.